Welcome back, everyone. Maybe in a situation where your Snapchat map is just not working for some reason, your Snap map, whatever you want to call it. Now, you want to, first of all, you want to go inside of your Snapchat application. This is the first thing you want to go and check out. You want to go ahead and click on the left side right here. This is your Snapchat map. Now, why isn't it working? So if you get into a panel like this, all you want to do is you want to zoom in as closely as you can to exactly wherever you are, and that might end up fixing that specific section as well. Now also where it says My Bitmoji, you want to click My Bitmoji, and if you get into a panel that looks like this where it says Snapchat wants to use your location, that means you do not have Snapchat, location enabled. So this is another reason why Snapchat may not be working for you, or the Snap map, is because you don't have your location enabled. So what you want to do is you want to click Allow, and that will actually give Snapchat access to your location. If you don't have your location enabled, you're not going to be able to use everything within Snap map, including viewing your friends. So you can see I don't have any friends within Snapchat, but if you did, you'd be able to go and click on friends here, and you should be able to go ahead and view their location as well. Now on top of that, another thing I'd recommend doing is making your way into your settings of your specific iPhone or your Android, whatever it is, and you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see your Snapchat application and or your location services. So go and make your way over to your Snapchat thing here. And if there's a little option that says location, you want to make sure that's enabled. Now you can see I don't have location enabled. So what I'll have to do on my iPhone, and if you have an Android, it's almost the same thing. You want to go inside of your location or privacy settings. You want to go and click on location services, and you want to make sure your location services are on. If they're off, or if you're on airplane mode, if you're not on Wi-Fi, that is pretty much the main problem here. So make sure you have those things enabled, and then you should be able to be good to go. Another thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to your app store, finding Snapchat. So just literally search up Snapchat just like this. You just want to search up Snapchat just like this and see if there's an update available for it. If there's an update, go ahead and update Snapchat, and that may end up fixing the problem too. If that still doesn't fix it, what you may have to do is just check if Snapchat is actually down or if their servers are down, and that may be another thing. You're pretty much just going to have to wait until their servers are back up. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.